Really trying to rip people off on wreaths today, huh? Wolfgang Puck.
You like that kind of stuff?
I like nice knives, yeah. That's cool.
So it'll be $5. Right?
Ultimate kitchen tool set, 35.
Oh, 35. Why did I think it was 5?
I think the knives are 25.
Oh.
So
they're
that's
half
$12.50.
That's not bad.
Someone interested in the bed?
Mm.
Well, she's talking to Wade to see if they can come get it. That's cool. You want to make sure it's
Let me
still
look
here.
at this. That's cool. Is that silver plate?
Yeah.
Nice.
Morning, ma'am. Everything's 50% off.
Everything's
Is this not exciting?
so exciting. That's a Hummel. What's that?
The garage. They might have it stuff in the garage.
Is the wandering schoolboy?
That globe's really nice. There was a small one too, but it didn't have.
What is the price on this? $4 or 10?
Half price.
It
I don't
was
know.
4, now it's 10.
Yeah. This one is very interesting, babe. I
Oh,
don't
yeah,
know.
let me
I'll
see.
ask them what the
Let me
price
see.
is.
A rubber face.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I think that's what it is. I'll go ask her.
That's what?
You can ask her. I'm just going to go ask her what it is.
What it is?
How much it is. You think?
8 or 3? It's like they had it marked at 3 and then they upped it to 8 so that it would be more expensive on half price day. It's confusing. I could use a pair of channel locks. Alright, what do we got in here? Bunch of sewing machines. Some books. Wow. A lot of stuff. This looks like a deal. 20 brand new. But only one is sold. Okay.
You want it?
Yeah, for $4 maybe.
Yeah. She said it makes chimp sounds. It does work. It just needs batteries.
20 brand new for this. They have it for $15. Yeah, it definitely was a crafter.
What is that?
Crafter?
Yeah.
Someone who does crafts.
Oh, yeah.
Santa. Papa Gijo. Santa Claus. I'm quoting the Santa Claus right now. Making memories. Wow, that's crazy. $40. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Come on, you see these? They're awesome. Look at that. That's like a...
Oh, yeah?
What is that? Is that homemade?
Where are the prices on them?
I don't know. 50% off today. Look at this. Donald is cool. Does he make a noise? These are like homemade Care Bears. Or
Why
something.
do you say that?
Oh, they look homemade. They're cool though.
Hi. Kids will like them.
Maybe not. Maybe that's just the way they used to look.
My husband watches you.
Oh, really? Oh, cool.
My husband watches him.
That's awesome.
Carry
I had to
out
run in there.
What's his name? What's his name?
Ken.
Ken. Shout out, Ken. Shout out. Really? Oh, I'll have to say hey.
He's like, did you say anything? I'm like,
Oh, it's good to meet you. What was your name?
Mary.
Mary. Nice to meet you.
Put them in this bag, babe, so you can have to carry them for now.
Are you buying that bag?
No, but look, we can put them back
Price
this
that
time.
bag too.
Do you know the price on these plushes?
Huh? Yeah, sure. I want to say it was $10 a piece, but
Oh.
it's show. So let's make it $5 a piece, and then half the $5 be $2.50.
Okay.
That's the best price I can do on the day.
How much is the bag? I wasn't going to get it, but I was going to give him a flag to put it in. How much the bag?
Oh, the bag, trimming it all.
$20?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I don't need the bag. I
Yeah,
was just, did you have a
let's leave
box
right
for
here.
him?
Huh?
You have a box so we can put that's what.
We got
No, there's
baskets.
there's a little basket over there in the
Oh.
other room.
Okay.
Do you know if they made these? Are these like real Care Bears? Or interesting?
Brother, I
No
don't
way.
know.
No way to know.
No,
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, just curious.
I know people be asking me all kind of questions.
Yeah.
I say, look at man, I don't know. You want
We
me
get
back here.
we get curious, and it's
I know.
cool stuff. But
But that's a good price for it.
yeah, I think
Nah,
$250.
Yeah,
Cool.
she didn't make them.
No, yeah,
You put a tag on them, but let you know they're made.
yeah.
No, how much? No, what did you say the bag was?
20. He said.
$20, so half of that would be $10.
Well, that's cool. Even if it's homemade, it's cool. I really do think these Care Bears are homemade, but I still think they're really neat, even if they are homemade.
Well, she probably did. She was a.
Yeah, she was a creator. So
Oh, what is this?
$250 is a little pricey for them.
Bedtime stories.
It's a tin type. How much is that?
Hey.
$3. So $1.50. Yeah.
Good for camping.
Oh, I actually think I already have one of those.
We all did.
Yeah.
That's a good thing for the camper. That's kind of nice, little sugar thing.
Hey, sugar.
What's wrong with that? Okay.
Wow, they had a lot of stuff.
Yep. Already so much stuff to go through.
Wow. Have you been here before or no?
No, I thought it was another place.
Oh, okay.
I've never been here. The other place even has more days,
Really?
but they probably sold it all. $250. That might not be bad at the beach. Dave, $250.
Nice. I don't need any more chairs in my life. Made in Romania.
How much are your plastic ware?
Everything you see in there is $1 a piece, so that means it'd be 50 cents. You paying cash, ma'am?
Yeah.
You want the whole thing? You want the whole thing? I give you everything, take it to your car.
No. How much?
Huh?
How much?
But I want to know do you want the whole thing first, and then I'm gonna give you a
If
price.
you give me a deal, maybe.
Huh?
If you give me a deal, maybe.
All right, but you got to take it to your car. If I give you the deal.
Okay, what's the deal?
All right, $7.
What do you think, Dave?
Don't know. If you want a lot of Tupperware.
Yeah. It would be Alan's dream, right, to have all this stuff.
Yeah.
I'll open the garage up for you right now if you want it.
You hand him 7
Can
cash.
you throw these two in it?
No, I can't throw them two in.
Well,
See,
then we're getting
not-
money.
huh?
It's cheap.
No, what that is?
$1 and $1.
Oh, that's $1, so that's just give me $8.
$8. There you go.
Okay, $8. I'll give you $8.
All right, I'll let the garage go. Where you how close you gonna
Well,
park?
I don't know.
We're parked close.
Really close. So
All right,
that
that's
would,
good.
yeah.
I like to give it out the way and I'll tell so.
Okay.
If I bring the chain back, I need to bring the chain.
I don't need to. Okay, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5. I can count.
All right. Well, yeah, that's a good thing.
Ma, you want me to carry it and you hold my stuff? Because I'm
Yeah.
still shopping.
Now, see, that's a good son there.
He is a good son.
Yeah.
He is a good son.
Try.
Tell my husband you was gonna go buy Tupperware. I'll tell him not to. I'll say, don't buy any. I got it for you.
Everything 50% off.
Everything's 50% off?
So, Ma, you got some Tupperware.
Right, how much is the dog?
He's
I
cute.
love the dog. I like the dog.
That's just me. But I don't like the color.
How much is this up
That's up animal right there. It's $7. Make it $3.50. You want them all?
No,
I mean, I wouldn't deal with you not going tomorrow.
no, I'm just gonna get the dog. You know what am I gonna do with all this stuff? My husband will throw me out. To do with all this stuff? My husband will throw me out.
Yes, ma'am.
This is way high.
I don't know what they see here.
$5? Uh-huh.
That's fine.
Well, half of that is $2.50, man. Oh, that's not high. $2.50 for a week is not high. I mean, that's what you're gonna pay when you take it up there. Everything is 50%
I
off.
gotta get Zoe your shoes.
Hey, Dad, they go down.
My wife make these, and it costs her way more than $5 just to make them. So I know that's a good price. But if you want a better price, you can go talk to the lady up front.
I think if you just,
If they said you doing what you want to do, let me do what I want to do. Chill, watch TV.
I just want to know, he would know. He knows all that kind of stuff.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't. I'll take pictures of everything and see if he's interested.
Really trying to rip people off on wreaths today, huh?
Huh? I know,
I
man.
can't believe that.
Hey,
You're charging that much. No, seriously.
Hey, I know. I'm trying to be polite. I said, my goodness.
All right.
This is all your stuff, my man?
Yeah, this basket
All
here.
right.
I
Yeah.
got the dog though.
Some plushes, that thingy.
You paying cash or card?
Cash.
I can add all your stuff up. I can get you some bags.
All right, all right. I'm not sure on the price of all of it, but
That's all right. We'll get it straight. We'll get it right.
I know you're cutting deals, so.
Almost cutting deals. Not cutting deals always.
Well,
All right,
you know.
where are we at?
You would
I'm gonna
talk.
tell you right now. Yeah. All right, that's 5. That's 10. Get out the way. Let's see. Let's say this right here be 15. I'm kind of all them right there together. 15. You had a price on it? 15. Let's see. 16. 16, 17, 18. Let's see. Yeah, you're $18.
Okay. 18 bucks?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And I'm $3.50 for the little dog.
You got 2 back?
Yep.
He's gonna have 2 of them, making him 3.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
I should have put this.
Nah, $3 good, man. I don't like doing change.
No, I get you. That's frustrating.
Want to throw that in the car now, and we'll.
Yeah, I'll let the garage door open for you.
Yeah, I'll bring the basket back. I'll bring
I know
this.
you are, though. I'll wash it.
Watch it, huh? That's gonna cost them $2.50 if he takes them.
Oh, they gonna call way more than $2.50. I want.
Hey, Ken.
Ken, yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. How's it going?
Great.
Got a lot of markers.
We run into you at some point in this
Yeah,
town.
yeah. Yeah, no, it's good to meet you, man. You find anything good today?
Found some hats, some good hats.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I'm struggling to learn the area still.
A good sale.
Oh, cool. Oh, it doesn't work.
Plugged in if you want to try it, take a look at it.
He's all types of busted. Some James Dean magazines.
Got it? How does it look? The mattress on it. Right. Looks good. All right. Try to send them. It's hurry.
Good picture?
Yeah.
Hmm.
There's no stains, right? No.
Elvis and the Army.
Did you guys hold up what's on the bed? Like, or did you throw it all over the place?
We very much just kind of like.
Okay. All right. That's fine.
I was like, I literally looked at him, I was like, all right, so here's what we do.
How much are these magazines?
They were $5 each, so they'll be $2.50.
So 5 for the 2.
Yeah. You want
Pretty
those?
cool. Yeah, I'll pick
Okay. So just $5.
Hey everyone, Dave the NC Picker here. Thank you so much for coming with me to that estate sale. Estate sales are just way different in Florida. When I was in North Carolina, they were all terrible and way overpriced. Down here, there's so many of them that the prices are not bad at all, and I found some really good scores here. Those old vintage Care Bears that looked handmade, I only found one comp, and it was for the yellow one, and it was a sold listing for $49.95. So Thought that was pretty good. I didn't see any actives of them, so I might list them. I don't know, maybe I'll list them for 40 bucks a piece and see what happens. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe they'll sell fast. The other old plush, I didn't look those up yet either, I'll be honest, but I'm pretty sure I can sell them on my Whatnot auction next time I do one for at least 10 bucks a piece, and I paid $2.50. They're just really cool, and I know I'd buy them for 10 bucks on a Whatnot auction if I was buying for my collections. Little tiny picture I got, I called it a tin type. If you don't know what that means, it means it's like a picture on a piece of tin. It's from like a long, long time ago, like 1800s, a lot of them are. Late 1800s, early 1900s. Usually a tin type will go for at least $5. Sometimes it can go for $50 or $100. It depends on what it is, and it really depends on context and things like that. I assume I'll probably list that one for 15 to 20 bucks, and hopefully it sells. A surprise for me was those magazines. Like, I had this hunch that Elvis and James Dean magazine were both good, that both of those were good. I followed my hunch and I just bought them. I didn't look them up or anything, but I said, $5, I'll do it. And that Elvis one sells for $50 and the James Dean for $16. So that was a great buy. And I was strongly considering the stamps, but it was like $50 for each of the books, and it was half price day, so it would have been $25 each. I don't know. I just don't know enough about stamps to have taken the risk. Maybe I should have. Let me know, guys, if I should have bought those stamps down in the comments. Maybe next time I will. But yeah, anyways, it was a fun estate sale. I really like these Florida estate sales. I gotta start going to more of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this footage. You have a good day.